Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're going to be unboxing my Makeup Geek Purple Passion Mystery Box. And I believe I paid $20 for this. And I think I've had it for about a month. I've been waiting because I wanted to unbox it with y'all. So I can't wait to see what's in here. And you know how I love purple. So let's see what's in here. This is how it comes. And it's like everything is wrapped in this black tissue paper. Oh, it's in a cute little box. That's cute. So there's what it looks like inside. And let's see, this is a Makeup Geek lipstick in Iconic, or it's Iconic in the color Savvy. Oh, that's a pretty color. Yeah, I like that. Okay, and then we got a Showstopper cream stain in the color Grapevine. Oh, that's pretty too. I was afraid it would be like really dark, but it's really pretty. I like that. I like both of these. And then it looks like we have 4 eyeshadows. So the first one is a duochrome eyeshadow, and I'll wipe this lipstick off so I can do swatches for y'all. And this is in the color Blacklight. Oh, I love that. That is so pretty. It has like a blue, a greenish blue, purple shift. It like shifts. That's pretty. Okay, and then next is a pressed eyeshadow, and it is in the color Taboo. And it looks pretty dark. It is pretty dark. It's a little patchy, and it's kind of just a black. It looks just it don't look like black really in the pan, and there it is on my finger, but so I don't know what to think about that one. This is a pressed eyeshadow in the color Vintage. And that looks like a brown color to me. And then the last one looks really pretty. And it is a fold eyeshadow. And it is in the color Hype. It looks really pretty. Oh, I love that, y'all. I love this. It's really pretty. So that is my Makeup Geek mystery box. I'm not sure that it would still be available. Like I said, it was like a month ago. So I doubt they would still have it. I don't know for sure, but I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I thank y'all for watching. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. I would love to have you here. And I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.